This video is to show you how to save time by using the Build Your Own Deal tool available on our website. First, you'll start by visiting us online and look for a car that you're wanting. Let's pick this 228 Grand Coupe. So you click on the vehicle and you look around. Ooh, I really like this car. Look at some pictures and decide you want to customize your deal. With this tool, you can look at options for leasing or finance. For the purpose of this video, we're going to pick finance. So you'll fill in all the applicable boxes. So cash down, how much you'd like to put down on the vehicle, your credit score, what kind of score range you have, and also the terms that you would like. Let's pick 60 at 1.9% APR. And then you would add your trade-in. If you have a trade-in, it'll take you to another page through KBB. From there, you're going to enter in all of the information about what car you would be trading in. So this will help save time at the dealership because they'll already have a basic idea of what you have and get a good idea of what kind of vehicle you're trading in and what kind of number we can put on it so we can put it towards the purchase of your new vehicle. From there, you'll go a little bit more in depth on your vehicle and tell us what kind of condition you think the vehicle's in, as well as ticking off all the boxes for all of the options that your vehicle features. This is very important because this goes towards the value of your car. Then you enter if you have a payoff or if it's all paid off. Then you enter your contact information. So put your name, an email, and a phone number if you'd like us to call you. So we're just going to put a dummy name in there, Sally Sample, and sallytest123@test.com. And this information is how the dealership will contact you once they've received all your information. And then they'll schedule a day and time with you to come in and finish the rest of your transaction at the dealership. Once you've entered in all that information, it'll give you an estimated trade-in value. And then it'll go over any additional items that you want to put in, like extended warranties, road hazard. We'll just say, for the sake of this video, I want to do an extended warranty. And then you go over your entire deal, make sure that the amounts are all correct and all the information is correct. And once you've confirmed that all of that is correct, you hit Submit Updates. And that will submit all of your information to us and allow us to contact you to further your deal. We hope this video has been informative and helped you learn how to shorten your time at the dealership and get more time on the road in your new BMW.